Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, some fog along Highway 36 in areas north this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we got kind of a fog situation that's along Highways 25 and 83 up in Nebraska and along Highway 36 and places to the east and northeast of that, where we're reporting anywhere from a quarter-mile visibility in McCook and Atwood, 3-mile visibility in Oberlin, and then you get up there along that Highway 34, all the way from Binkelman to the Holdridge area, all reported a quarter-mile visibility. Those locations have morning temperatures right around 60 degrees. You get out to the west and down on I-70, we got a westerly wind at about 5-10 miles per hour, and that's got skies cleared out, and the fog is not as heavy as where the winds are calm. We got clear skies in those areas. We got 55 in Burlington, 57 in Goodland, 56 in Colby to start the morning on a chilly note. And what we've got going on today is we have a high pressure that'll be building over the southwestern United States and start expanding eastward and north into the central and southern plains. That'll be what's going on through Friday, so that's going to start turning our temperatures into a warming trend and getting hot by the end of the week. We could be talking upper 90s to low 100s there on Friday. That could trigger a heat advisory in those locations along Highway 83 and to the east, where the dew points could be up there in the 60s and something to monitor as we head towards Friday. This morning, that fog will burn off. Sunshine will come out this afternoon. Highest temperatures will climb into the upper 80s, and those winds will be from an east-northeast direction at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, we'll have clear skies. Lows will be around 60. Then tomorrow, we'll be warming up into the lower to mid-90s, heading into the mid to upper 90s for Thursday and Friday, and all three of those days will be dry with that high pressure overhead. The storm chances will be to the west along the Front Range in eastern Colorado, continuing that monsoonal moisture flow over the Rockies. And when we get to the weekend, disturbance and trough from the northwest will flatten that ridge, give us chances for some of that scattered stuff to sneak out of Colorado across the Kansas line, Nebraska lines into the area. Again, that would be very hit and miss. We're probably talking less than a half inch of precipitation all the way through Monday, but we'll have those chances coming out of Colorado and cooler temperatures over the weekend and Monday. We should see the high temperatures dropping back down into the upper 80s, low 90s, which is typical for this time in August. Overnight low temperatures in those lower 60s after being around 65 here to end the week. Looking ahead even further in that 14-day forecast, it looks like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we dry back out. Temperatures climb back up there into the middle to upper 90s, probably staying dry through Friday, then Friday night, over next weekend. And in that extended period, we got another trough, maybe turning our flow back to the northwest, and computer models are suggesting the rain and thunderstorms will come back into the forecast to end August. Overall, in the month, above normal note with maybe 3-4 inches of total precipitation.
Okay, once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schrammick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Zurich.